Would you describe Lyon's tradition in biosciences and biotechnology?
Sure. It really started with the Mérieux family. That first Mérieux was a student of a Dr. Pasteur, and then he moved back to Lyon and really, I think, turned science into technology and to a business and to an industry. And he passed on to his families and sons. They pursued the tradition of good business and good technology.
And there's been this constant strain of attention to immunology.
Sure, that's how they started it, and they've been very focused on that. First on vaccines, and they turned into diagnostics, and they branched out into cancer vaccines, therapeutic vaccine with company like Transgene. But they've been very focused on immunology and infectious disease.
And you know that Atlanta has the Centers for Disease Control, so Atlanta seems to be a good place for Lyon to be represented during this upcoming conference.
Sure, that's why we're going to the Bio 2009, and that's why I think Marielle has a strong presence in the Atlanta area.
At the same time, Lyon is helping new biotech companies that aren't just dealing with infectious diseases. You've got a whole array of new issues and concerns. That's
right. That's why I think Lyon is such a great place to do biotech or to develop life sciences business. It's the second cluster in France by the size, but it's probably the number one by the quality of the network and the relationship you build with other people and with other companies. And it makes Lyon one of the most attractive places in Europe to do biotech. It comes from the presence of big industries like, of course, Sanofi Pasteur, Mérieux, bioMérieux, and also all the small and medium-sized companies that have been developing in the Lyon area for several years now.
Because it's a medium-sized city, it helps the networking that can take place between these different institutions. Is that not right?
Sure. It's a medium-sized city by U.S. standards, probably. But it's the second city in France, and the city of Lyon actually, and Adèle is part of these efforts, is really pushing towards having a strong, vibrant network. So a lot of activities are organized so that companies meet up with research scientists from the university, and like the Bio Tuesday event that occurs 6 times a year. Mm-hmm. And it has been going on for 6 years now, and this is pretty unique in France. And the organizer of the Bio Tuesday have been very good at keeping it very attractive for companies coming from the Lyon area, but now company coming from other area from France.
What would be the best case results from your presence at the Atlanta conference?
Well, we've been trying to give, of course, visibility to the companies first, because those are the companies that do create the jobs and the wealth and the economics. So we want to give visibility to the company based in Lyon. So the best result will be that if they can sign partnership deals with US company or other company from the world that will be present at Bio 2009.
Given the state of the global economy, do you think that there's going to be that possibility?
Well, I've got conflicting signal about this. Is that a lot of the companies subcontracting for big farmers are seeing a slowdown, or not really a slowdown, but a postponing in the decisions. So they're being careful about their business this year. From Adèle point of view and from Lyon point of view, we've never seen so much large project inquiring about the Lyon area to do production or to do R&D. And I'm not sure why it is, but I think it's because of the success of Lyon in the biotech industry.